Excuse me. Can you tell me what this is all about?
Yeah, it's like a blood walk. It's for like sexual assault from PSA, preventing sexual assault.
Who did that though?
The organization?
Oh, they does the sexual assault, right?
Prevention of sexual assault.
Oh, prevention. Okay, thank you very much. Now, what's your name though?
Anu.
Henny.
Anu.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for talking to us though. Bring it.
One thing I've learned is that healing doesn't have an expiration date. There's no right or wrong way to heal from something everyone who may find themselves being in it's not my business kind of bystander, if you see something, say something. Woo!